In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Bitbucket Branch. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few best practices to keep your repository tidy and safe. First, open your browser and go to bitbucket.org. Make sure you're signed in and you're in the correct workspace. Deleting branches requires the right permissions, so if you don't see the options I mentioned, you may need access from a project admin. Next, choose the repository that contains the branch you want to remove and click into it. It's a good idea to double check you're in the correct repo, especially if your organization has many projects with similar names. Inside the repository, look to the left sidebar and click Branches. This takes you to Bitbucket's Branches Overview, which is designed for quick searching, filtering, and managing your branch list. At the top of this view, set the filters to all branches. This ensures you're seeing every branch, including older or merged branches that might not appear in more restrictive views. It's helpful for cleaning up stale branches after pull requests have been merged. Find the branch you want to delete and take a moment to verify it's safe to remove. Make sure it's not the default branch and check whether any open pull requests are still relying on it. When you're confident, open the Options menu, the three dots next to that branch. From the options that appear, click Delete. Bitbucket may prompt you to confirm the deletion. This is normal and helps prevent accidents. If the branch is protected by your repository settings or it's the default branch, you won't see the delete option. In that case, you'll need a project maintainer to adjust protections before proceeding. Once deleted, the branch will disappear from the list. If it still shows up temporarily, refresh the page to clear any cached results. Keep in mind that this action removes the branch on the remote in Bitbucket. If you also have a local copy on your machine, you'll need to remove it separately there to stay fully in sync. A few final tips before we wrap up. It's best practice to delete feature branches after their pull requests are merged to keep the repository streamlined. Avoid deleting branches that serve as long-lived integration branches unless your team has explicitly approved it, and when in doubt, confirm with your teammates so nothing important gets removed. That's it. Quick, clean, and safe. Thanks for watching, and happy housekeeping in your Bitbucket repositories.